gosh, it's a winter wonderland. We getting it. Look how high the snow is. How many inches it look like on that rail. Oh my gosh, look at my grill. My grill got a high top. My grill got a high top. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is the back. I'll go see if I can get a little something on the front. It is as quiet as a mouse out here, y'all. Somewhere down there is a street, a sidewalk. Y'all down there sliding. Oh, I feel sorry. They still walking. Oh, yeah, they still walking. Oh, my God, I feel sorry for them. Yeah, yeah, my hand gonna freeze off. Oh, it's somebody at the light. Oh, they stuck, yeah. Oh, they down there stuck. Y'all can't see the trees in your way. Dang. I would get in my truck and go help them, but yeah, I ain't trying to be responsible for nobody's vehicle. But they are definitely down there stuck, yeah. Look at them, like, y'all better go park that little loaf of bread somewhere. Oh, that thing ain't gonna make it. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see them little headlights right there. Oh, no, they turned. I guess they weren't stuck. Girl, they was just in at the light. I'm done. Anyway, the weather outside is frightful. It's actually peaceful in the hood. Oh, well, I decided to come back to the back. I don't know, it just looks so like, just look at it, just a winter wonderland. Of course, February, give it to us. We just ain't had a winter like this in so long. Like, Cincinnati have not had a winter like this in some years. We needed this. I know a lot of people say no we don't, but yes we do. They grill got a hot top too. It's just my grill hot top, but like gummy. Well, I got a truck down there with the windshield wipers up. It is a 4x4, y'all, so we gonna be trucky. Keep them trucks on trucky. Let me go back in this house and get on YouTube. Just a quick video though, y'all. I hope everyone is doing well. And everyone that's experiencing this weather is safe and warm in the house, all bundled up. And those who is living in 75 to 80 degree weather, F y'all. I'm sorry. Nah, no, but this pretty though. Especially when you could just like look up, like, and just, oh, look at my gutters. Oh, you want to look up and see that shit. Like, just see how it's coming down. It's just so nice. I'm acting like I ain't seen snow before and shit, but oh well. Oh well, no. Alright, guys. I'm out. Bye. Now we need to get some more salt. I know the salt is like gone out of the bag. I don't know. Oh, what a shovel. Oh, it does not pay to have a shovel always in the back. Oh, okay. Bye, guys.